Hey, this is Frank here at Total Roofing and Construction. Today we are in Valparaiso, Indiana, and we are doing a roof and a gutter replacement behind me. The roof currently was a 20-year 3-tab shingle that did have some wind damage, so we were able to get the insurance company to come out and assist the homeowner with some of those damages. We are also replacing the gutters. As you see before, the customer had no gutter apron at all. Gutter apron is code, and it's also a great opportunity while we have the roof and gutters off to upgrade them with a brand new gutter system. Today we're going to be installing a GAF HDZ pewter gray. It's going to be a beautiful roof with white seamless gutters. The vibrance of the pewter gray shingle is going to go perfect with the bluish gray siding that this customer currently has. Along with this project, the customer will receive a 50-year warranty on the GAF products, as well as Total Roofing and Construction's workmanship warranty. And speaking of our Total Roofing craftsmanship, behind me, as you see, this is our Total Roofing Equipser. This helps our guys with ease of removing the debris off of your roof without the risk of debris falling down 1-2 stories onto the ground, ruining landscaping, or the possibility of it hitting your siding on the home. We also put up caution tape. We want to make sure any neighbors, anybody that's commuting or walking through the neighborhood knows not to walk through our construction zone. We also want to make sure our workers are very safe during the install. We are very proud of our work, very proud of the fact that we can give our client a reputable warranty from a manufacturer with also a good craftsmanship, workmanship warranty. We are so excited to see this transformation take place, and stay tuned for the final photos.